I'm trying to add them. Hi Akanksha, how are you? Hi, welcome. Hi Naisha. Hi Deepika. Hi. You're just waiting for Vinod Lalwani from Papa Kehte Hain handle. Today we're celebrating Father's Day. We're kickstarting a series of talking to a lot of fathers. So we're starting talking with Vinod Lalwani. We're just waiting for him. Thank you, Naisha. Cute.Naisha. Hi, thank you very much. Hi, Vidhi. Should I join Mama Saurus? Okay. Okay, here we have that. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Hi, Vinod. Hi, Prisha. How are you?
I'm
Yeah,
good. I'm trying to fit in.
Yes. Yes, you did warn me about a small space. Okay. Okay, guys, welcome. Thank you for joining in. And we know the spotlight is on you because of Father's Day. Thank you very much for
And
joining in today.
yeah, thank you. And
Uh,
language is getting, that's now.
okay, and is
Why
your
are you
fever
getting
okay?
nervous?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't get.
Is your fever okay?
Yeah, it's better.
लेकिन बेचारे का
Okay.
कितना वजन कम हो गया इस दिन में.
हाँ हाँ राइट राइट बहुत
He's
ज़्यादा
very
बहुत
sick.
ज़्यादा
Whatever, guys.
very
Yeah,
sick. Okay, we're just hoping you're fine, just enough for talking to our love Mama Couture custom, audience. Are very happy. Okay, so Vinod,
yeah.
we'll start with you today, and I think. And Prisha, of course, thanks for joining in. Yeah, I think you're going to be good fun. So Vinod, do tell us. Let's start with you. Do tell us about yourself, and then we'll get to everything else about what you do.
See, I am IT professional during the weekdays, uh, and father uh, and the house member during my evenings and nights. Specifically, I have a lot of responsibilities to play. I play, I mean, with my boys as a friend and all. Sometimes I have to save kids from their mom.
Come on. Don't fake on social media.
So
No, please let him speak.
really,
Let him speak today. Uh,
okay. And by weekend I'm any and everything. I have to do at times I have to do household chores. I have to get things out from outside. I am carpenter. I am plumber. I am this. I am that. I mean, whatever you can think of, I am everything in weekends.
And
And
mega game player also on
yes,
weekends.
and a mega game player also on the weekends.
sorry, you are?
Mega game player.
Oh, mega gameplay.
Game.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay, okay. Oh, fantastic. Okay,
Multiple
and of course,
responsibilities. I'm
multiple. Yes, absolutely. That's a very heavily filled calendar diary for someone. Okay, I think that's awesome. That's yeah. If you're doing even 10% of this, Vinod, I think hats off to you. but
no, I'm actually doing
He's
it.
actually doing it. But yeah,
yeah, no,
not
but
as
that's
sincerely as he's talking about it.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. No,
it's
it's
more
good.
to show than to do.
Yeah, That's fine. That's fine.
तो
That's
दिखता है
fine.
वही
That's why I
दिखता है.
said,
That is
Does
what I've
not
been.
get honest than this.
yeah, yeah. No, that's why we have you on live. You can't edit this, so we can't edit this. Just remember, it's going to go into posterity here. So okay,
Yeah.
and of course you have your live features with Mama Saurus as well, with Prisha featuring on her handle of now and on. So I mean, that's also must be fun. There must be a lot of preparation, and I don't know, does she catch you off guard, or do you get time to prepare for her videos or featuring in them on TikTok videos, of course?
Yeah. She always catches me off guard. I mean, I can't escape that ways. I mean, same house. So
You have to see her expression, and that's why I'm so
yeah,
glad
I'm,
she's
I'm,
there.
I'm seeing it in the
You
phone.
see?
He does the sorting of the videos कि हम ये वाला बनाएंगे, ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये कर रहा है, and I keep on cancelling them कि नहीं, ये this is not for my audience, this is feminist joke, this is kid joke, this is this joke, this is that joke. So I do the filtering. Then we do the acting. So I do the directing part and he does the enactment part. So he is the face of our production house basically.
So our producer is
Lovely, your
sitting next to me.
responsibilities are very good.
Our actor and financer is sitting in front of you.
Ah! Okay, fine. That is very good separation of duties here, and I am sure you don't come in each other's way. I hope not. That's very good.
Yes.
So Vinod, we would love to talk more about you as a parent. Oh, she's saying hi. So she's yeah. Please feel free to say hi to you. Must be having a lot of audience.
Yeah, I'm
dialing
doing
in,
my PR film also
sure.
over here. So everybody,
Yes,
hi everybody,
yes.
I'm here. In case I'm with you,
Yes.
here.
Yes. No, absolutely. That's good. Now, so Vinod, because it is Father's Day and because we're focusing on your being as a parent, as a father, so your lens as a father, do tell us a few things, right? So one was, I think the very first question one would love to know is that what and how were you before the kids?
See, I'll say till about before my marriage, I'll start with before my marriage time. I was like very free. जो आएगा जिससे आएगा will happen. No need to plan anything. Life is there just to enjoy. I mean that kind of nature. When I got married, it's like यार अगर plan करना है तो दो का करना है. There were few restrictions before. I mean you like even in during midnight you want to go somewhere, you don't have to think about it, you just want to go. You pick up your car, you pick up your bike or whatever vehicle and you move out. There came in certain restrictions with the marriage. You just could not go out, you just could not do things out of your own mind at any time. But then those were something that you have to actually work in the framework. When the kids came in, I mean before that I was very free and we have always been friends. We have never treated each other like a कि मैं husband हूँ तो I have to do this and तुम भाई को तो तुमको ये करना है. We've never done that.
Wonderful. Let him speak today.
And till that we've been in that kind of relationship. We are mostly as friends. After the kids, थोड़ा सा change हुआ है. You get to think about things. You get to think about future. Things are not random for you. I mean, those sort of changes come in. Otherwise, more or less,
planning.
He grew up.
in other words.
Yeah,
Which I
you
did
grew
not
up
want
because you had to raise the kids. You also had to grow up. No, totally, I agree.
Yeah.
So I'm also a mother of a 5-year-old, and I resonate with your emotions
you
there. I can yeah. I have one though. I have half your trouble. You have two, and you wanted two. I heard you say that you wanted agar chahiye to chahiye.
I'll not refer to them as a trouble. In fact, they are a blessing. And in fact, you know what? I mean, they are actually friends to me who will stay with me. Two more friends who stay with me. I have an older friend and I have two younger friends.
Lovely. Prashad, that expression needs to change. Chaliye, theek hai. That is
I'm
amazing.
the older one. That's the truth. I'm the one who's yelling. I'm the one who's controlling. I'm the one who's saying, जाओ नहाओ, जाओ brush करो, जाओ कपड़े बदलो, अरे pants पहनो. ये सब काम मेरा ही है. So I'm the older one. I accept that.
Okay, wonderful. And Vinod, you have two kids. Do tell us, boy, girl, what age and all that.
Sorry, come again?
Your two kids, they're twins, we know. They're
Yes.
boys. How old are they?
So they are 6 now, and in December they'll be 7. They'll be turning 7.
December 7. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. So now tell me,
So
what was your?
one thing is I don't know how many people know this, but then we have a Salana Jalsa kind of thing in our house in December. My wife's birthday is on 11th of December. My kids are also born on the same date, 11th of December. My brother-in-law, who's online now, he's also on 11th of December.
Wow.
One of my Mamaji is again on 11th of December. So we actually get a big cake and we cut the cake. So one advantage there is, you anyways have to get cake for your kids on birthday. So my wife also cuts the cake. She's also happy that she's getting to cut the cake every year, and I'm also happy.
नहीं तो कोई चांस नहीं था.
अच्छा.
एक ही केक में सबका काम हो जाता है.
सबका
मतलब अच्छा वो एक ही दिन है, नहीं तो कोई चांस नहीं था कि अलग से केक आएगा.
हाँ, I
That's
doubt
what I'm
that.
I mean, we celebrate. See, I don't forget, we celebrate.
Your mental space is saved. I can see that all the birthdays come on one date, and a lot of diary work is done in that only. Yes, all that is done.
Yes.
Okay, so Vinod, tell me, when you heard that Prisha was pregnant, at the first time you obviously did not know twins, or did you? How did just tell us your story, your journey of just the pregnancy? What did you find out?
See, when she told me that she's pregnant, I was like, before that, as I told you, I was very, go with the flow types. And when I heard she was pregnant, mindset changed a little bit. Certain kind of responsibility kicked in. I was like a little control freak. Like ये मत करो, ऐसे मत करो, don't मतलब वो झुक के मत उठाओ, कोई heavy सामान मत उठाओ. All those things came in, which what you see from movies, what you learn. That thing came in कि ऐसा मत करो, वैसा मत करो, जो करना है मैं करता हूँ, मुझे बताओ मैं करता हूँ. Those things came in.
How sweet, yeah.
Those 8 months he was very protective. I'll agree.
How sweet. And then what happened?
Then kids happened.
Then kids happened. Okay. Then the kids happened.
Then
and
I
they
became
definitely
protective towards my
they make
kids
their own
also.
space in anyone's life.
Sorry. Then the
Yeah, and so
responsibility
no, just
thing
tell us that what
shifted over to
happened.
the kids.
Yeah, and so there's just a voice break. I think I'll just let you finish. Sorry.
Yeah, there's a lagness actually. So you're saying something.
Okay, sorry. So I'll say. I was saying that
I want to say something. I'm sorry. I'm moving my camera here. बहुत देर से side में बैठूं. What he said is that after kids happened, I got responsible towards the kids too. So you see how careful he is in choosing words, because we fought over it. I don't know how many times. कि हाँ, बच्चे ही सब कुछ है.
So I think that's a natural. That's a natural phenomenon in everybody's life, I think, Prisha. I'll tell you that.
So they are 3 and 4. 2 are you.
Oh,
she's 2, they are 2, 3 and 4.
Okay. You got that, Prisha.
Yeah.
Okay.
She got that.
Okay. And so when you found out that they're twins, so what was your reaction on twins then?
It was, see, quite frankly, first I did not have words to express at that moment. In that moment, I was happy, and obviously you feel blessed. We were very happy. It was something that you could think of. Times will be a little difficult. We have to take extra precaution. All those things came in, but then yes, we were very happy.
Of course. Okay, wonderful. So tell us today, the kids are now 6 years old, and what is your favorite time? How do you spend your favorite time with them? What is it that you enjoy? Are you doing their homework with them, or are you spending only game time, or what is happening?
So my favorite time with my kids is when we come over in our room to sleep. Before sleeping, we have a tradition. We play for half an hour almost every day. Games like whatever imaginary games we create and we start playing. Our favorite game which we play is pillow fight. So the only point is that everything is settled and you have to sleep. You come over and sleep and you start playing pillow fight. Kabhi chadar ud rahi hai, kabhi pillows ud rahe hain, all those things. So Prisha gets worked up. But that is our favorite. Otherwise we play Ludo, we play Uno, we play this, that and all those games. That is my favorite time. Half an hour to somewhere 45 minutes is what we play. that time is something we all enjoy.
And what is your morning like? Do you have like who feeds them breakfast and who's giving them a bath, and how do you share your load?
See, mornings are a little tougher with us because as I said, I am IT professional,
You work.
and my office time is somewhere 9 o'clock, and I have to travel 3 states every day when before COVID. So
Oh.
I stay in UP. I stay in
Ah.
UP. I cross
Oh.
UP. I cross Delhi. I go to Haryana. So it's a long distance.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Yes.
I mean, we start early. Our day starts
Yes.
somewhere at 7 o'clock. By 7, everybody is up, and then we go with the daily routine and then breakfast and all, and I start for the office. My kids go to school. Now our day starts a little late. 7:38 is what we are generally awake,
Yeah.
and in the morning also again we have a little bit of time pass, and then we have classes and our schedule starts. So work from home is the kind of thing now.
Yeah.
Again, 8:30 is what things start with us. So their kids are busy with their online classes. I'm busy with my office work.
Okay. So how is
Like that.
lockdown?
Full day actually. Sorry, you say.
Yeah, sorry. So how has lockdown been for you and the kids at home and working and Trisha with her blogs, etc.? How have you all packaged your time?
See, situation is something. I mean, before lockdown, people were busy. People were a little not getting time. It was thought or imagine that in the lockdown अभी तो यार घर पे बैठा है तो बहुत time होगा. But in fact, reality is different.
Yeah.
People have been expecting, the corporates have been expecting from you to do more. In fact, पहले अगर मैं I used to start at 9, now I start at 8:30. अभी ऐसा होता है कि you're not going anywhere, sitting, you have to be online, all those things come into picture. So lockdown में stress और बढ़ गया है, काम और बढ़ गया है. In fact.
Yeah.
So and she also has to do a lot of stuff, blogging अपना वो और घर के काम अलग से that has been happening. So I feel lockdown में लॉकडाउन नहीं था तो बेटर था फॉर इकोनॉमी एज वेल एज फॉर अस आल्सो एंड वो लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा वो है आई मीन इट्स नॉट गोइंग गुड in terms of managing time. So we have to allow our kids. हर समय you can't give that time to the kids. और कभी भी कुछ भी sessions हो जाते हैं. So multiple trainings and all those things keeps happening with us. So थोड़ा सा kids का screen time ज़्यादा हो गया है. That is what we are trying to minimize. Goes on. So night time, evening time, what I told you is the time which we generally get free and we play with that. We are trying to maximize the time.
Right. No, great. I think the story is resonating with everybody who we're talking to. I think, sorry, lockdown may, I think what were expectations were all at home, we'll get time. I think this homework and kids together and office and duties and responsibilities across. Exactly. I think it's just all together at one place, and I think that's really that's true what you said. Absolutely. So tell me, Vinod, so Prisha is saying
Deepika has a few questions.
Deepika is asking
how do you entertain kids with work from home, and do they jump in during the work?
So I'll answer the second question first. Do they jump in during the work? So it has happened many times. We are on the session with my office colleague. There are, let's say, 20, 25, 30 odd guys on the session, and my boss comes in and says, "Hello, Papa, who are they? Whom are you talking to? Are they your friends? What do they do? What are you doing?" And all those things. So, I mean, it's like pretty much everybody has kids, everybody understands what you are going through, and then, they definitely jump in between. At times you feel a little irritated, but then everybody understands it. It's something that you can't hide. You have it, you will do like this. So, I mean, I'm okay with that. We try and tell them that Papa is busy, please don't walk in. Those things will keep on happening.
With time they've learned that.
And with time they've learned that. And the
Mine
next is how to entertain kids with. So, as I told, we play a lot of games. We have imaginary games like, there are certain tickling games that we play. We play Ludo, we play Uno, we play, pillow fight, we play anything that comes up in the mind, we start playing that. I mean, only thing is if you can keep your kids engaged and talk to you, I think you have got the skill and you can do it.
Right, absolutely. I think somebody's asking in the questions that what is, sorry, I missed that question, and where Where are you from? Why are they asking? Okay, so are you guys from Delhi? Is your family support here? Are you guys from here?
No, so basically I am from India. So to say, I mean, I am born and brought up in Varanasi, which is Banaras, commonly known as, which is in Uttar Pradesh. I did my schooling there. I did my graduation from Pune, which is in Maharashtra. I did my post graduation from Bangalore, which is in Karnataka. The initial job I did in Chennai, South India, Tamil Nadu. I was there for around 3.5 years. Thereafter, I moved to Chandigarh. I was there for good 1.5 years. After that, I moved to Delhi. I was in Delhi for 2 years again. Then I moved to. Then after that, we came into Noida. And since then, we have been Noida. It's been almost 7-8 years in Noida. So I've been into multiple states, and during my professional life, I've been to almost every state in India.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah,
that's
so
where I say I
you're
belong to
also-
India.
You belong to India. Yeah, so Nathan, they were
Yeah.
saying that for the kids, for the twins, do you have family support around here? How have you managed with work and kids, both of you? I think that was also the question. Do you have families stepping in twice the?
So,
You know, some terminology is very mom blogging specific.
I like family support में
So
ऐसे
he-
बैठी है.
Yeah, he looked so blank. I thought he didn't realize what it meant. So
No, so our parents do come in at times. We don't often need them, but I am very much thankful to my brother-in-law who was there with us in the initial days when the kids were born. He has actually helped us a lot. He's been the pillar.
Wow.
So
Lovely,
he was
lovely.
there for a good 2 years. He was doing his studies here, and then we had good amount of support from him.
Amazing.
So
Amazing.
without him,
That's
we would
family.
not
I mean,
have.
yeah. I don't
Yeah,
just
that's
mean
family.
all that. I mean, family is family, right?
Yeah.
Any family. Is,
And our parents do come in. So
yeah.
it's
twice in a year, either we visit or they visit. It happened twice or thrice in a year. So they've been there. So 10-15 days they come and stay, or we go and stay there. So our families are in Varanasi.
Okay, lovely. So Vinod, coming back to your kids, so tell me, there are 2 of them, and is there a favorite? If they're not listening, and why?
So I will say not as a favorite in general. For a particular trait, I do have a favorite. And like one of my kids, he knows how to get his work done. I'm that thing about him. One of my kid is very mischievous. I like that about him. One is like, it's like उसको अगर कुछ करना है, he's so determined. कैसे करना है, that is immaterial. But उसको करना है और वो होना है. Till the time that does not happen, I mean, he will not sit quietly. That is something I like. So multiple traits, multiple things I like about each of them. So
And
in
Trisha,
general, there's no one.
yeah, each day the favorite changes. I agree. Yeah, you have an option. You're just
I
stuck
think I
with one.
reflected properly.
he's saying I think I deflected properly. So he's telling you that
Yeah. He's
झोल है,
telling me-
झोल है.
He's told me very
You know,
politely.
actually ऐसा होता है ना with the what happens is with the twins there's always 2 sides. So जिनकी साइड ये लेते हैं दूसरे की साइड मैं पकड़ लेती हूँ. So even the kids have understood that whether we are playing games or whenever there's a chance that you have to take a side, they automatically assume that 2 will pair and the other one will pair with the other person.
other
So the pairing happens very organically. So it's not fixed, but yeah, there are days when one is a favorite and one is the favorite the other day. So like
So
that.
one thing is fixed in the entire scheme of things. The one with me gets to lose. I mean, ultimately पापा lose करेंगे. जो पापा की साइड रहेगा वो lose करेगा. I am sure most of the moms will be able to relate to it.
I am sure most of the moms will relate to this. Fathers say things like these.
He's giving his own version. He's putting in his
पता नहीं,
situation. with that.
अरे
ठीक.
डैडी
Let's
स्कूल
leave it
में
to
ना
the audience.
डैडी स्कूल में ठीक से पढ़ाते नहीं है ना. हम मॉमी स्कूल में बहुत अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं. हम सारी मॉमीज वेल वर्स्ड है कि वो बताएंगी कहानी. लेकिन डैडी आई डोंट नो वेयर स्कूल.
Ask the spread across.
You guys are so mad. Okay. So Vinod, tell me, sir, so one is favorite and one is what?
She's
She
asking for me.
called you mad.
ठीक है. She did
You
not mean
both.
that.
I said you both. You both are so mad. I said.
But you called him mad.
No, I call you both mad. Acha, and tell me,
Yeah.
Vinod. So what is I forgot my question, Prisha. So
That is something I like about you.
see. Okay, now, so I was saying that I really lost my question. I have to look in my notes. I see.
I think we're going to spend this live session only laughing.
Yeah. No, okay. I think we've come to a closure. But Vinod, thank you so much. It's amazing. But do tell us one more thing. That
Yeah.
what is it as a father that you love the most? In simply 2 lines, tell us what is it being a father on Father's Day. If we were to put the spotlight on you, what do you feel? What resonates you as emotionally? What is it being a father to you?
That's a very, very kind of, I mean, it puts you in a fix, that kind of a question. So I tell you, there are 2 aspects to it. One is what you think of, what you actually become. I mean, like when you think of, I mean, I would like to think of a father who is the ideal father. I would take care of my kids. I would get them to do things which are right. I'll teach them values, morals, beliefs,
I'll be strict.
which I don't do. That part is taken over by Prisha. What I am turning out to be is like I play with them. I do things. I mean, I destroy things, not destroy, but I mess up things.
Destroy.
Mess up. See, I want my children. I want to be kind of father who will allow their children to grow up the way they want to be. They should be happy in life. Happy is our motto. I mean, I don't want our children to be, kind of academic achiever. I mean, I'm not into it. Even if they are general, even if they achieve 50% marks, they should pass. My only criteria is they should keep passing the class. I am not into kitabi keeda ban jao. You work a single way, whatever they want to do, they are free to do. In fact, at times we don't even push them for doing homework. I mean, we go to that length. When they want to play, they will play. When they want to eat, they will eat. When they want to do study, they will do. So I want to be a father who will allow their kids to grow. They want to be. They should not have any kind of thought in their mind कि यार मैं ऐसा कर सकता था मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया. And that is the kind of thing we are trying to inculcate in their.
Lovely. So I love what you said. I think I love what you said, that happy is your motto. I think that sums it up. That says it all. That's really nice. And
Yeah.
you let them do what they want to do. You let them be how they want to be, and that's really nice. That's really amazing. So that's wonderful. Thank you. That's from my end. I think that's all. That's lovely, and I think we must share this with everybody. Prisha, this is fantastic. Thank you for joining in, and Vinod, thank you very much.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity. Actually,
Not at all, not at all. We're very happy, and we hope that a lot of fathers will see this and see how engaged you are and what fun you're having, Vinod. It's amazing. And really, it resonates from all the chitter chatter that you're doing, and that's the whole idea, right? You have kids, you have fun, and you make happy is your motto. It's fantastic, really.
I mean, it's actually difficult for me. By nature, I don't talk that much unless I
Yes,
know
she said.
quite well.
Oh, then I've done a good job. And thank you so much for chatting
Yeah,
with
you're
us
doing great,
today.
actually.
Prisha, thank you again. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Take care. Happy Father's Day
Bye.
again. Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.